Temperatures in the low to mid 40s. In fact, because of the extra moisture in the air and just a little bit of a steady breeze and cloud cover, temperatures are much milder than where we were yesterday morning. Temperatures anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees. So maybe just grab the rain jacket or the windbreaker to get you through the morning, because that's all you're going to need with temperatures above freezing just about statewide. As far as the winds go this morning, picking up a little bit out across far eastern New Mexico, where winds are pretty steady at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Those winds are going to continue to climb though and grow, and we're going to be looking at winds gusting to 50 miles an hour across much of eastern, southern, and western New Mexico. Wind advisories all in effect here. Albuquerque not technically under that wind advisory, though we could see winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour. As we go into the afternoon, get ready for a big warm up out east. Temperatures here in the upper 70s, 67 in Albuquerque, near 60 in Santa Fe. So fairly close to where we were yesterday across central and western New Mexico. The big change as far as temperatures are concerned will be out east, and that's all because of the wind that's going to be cranking up. That wind gains momentum. It gets on the it heads east on the other side of the central mountain chain, the east side of the central mountain chain. That's where it gains momentum. It compresses and really heats up. So that's why it's going to be so warm out east. We're also going to be dealing with the cold too in some places, because we're talking about snow. Winter storm warnings have been issued for the San Juans on up into Colorado. Here's the border here between Colorado and New Mexico. Winter weather advisors in effect for the South San Juans. This is in effect now through tomorrow morning. We're actually getting a little bit of light snow, but there's a disturbance that hasn't even gotten here yet that's going to bring in quite a bit more moisture, so that we could see 4, perhaps up to 8 inches of snow up in the San Juans as we head towards tomorrow morning. And then, of course, winter storm warnings. We could see 8 inches to 12 inches of snow there. We're also going to have 15 to 30 mile an hour winds, which could really reduce visibility, especially as we go into the overnight hours tonight. That's when we're going to see most of the action happen. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite. A lot of cloud cover across central eastern New Mexico on up into the Four Corners. Showers still ongoing across southeast New Mexico. The heavier stuff now is pushed into Texas, but we're trying to get one more band of heavy rain down across far southeast New Mexico. And also, again, we're getting a little bit of light snow up in our northern mountains. So here's how things will play out as we go through the day. The system's going to continue to clear on out. Windy conditions today. Snow will continue to develop up in the mountains. We may get a little bit of a lull this afternoon, and then this evening and overnight, snow redeveloping up in the northern mountains and especially up in the mountains of Colorado. Tomorrow, temperatures will be cooler. It'll be breezy, but not as windy as what we have to deal with today. Today is going to be the big wind day. Expect a lot of blowing dust. For your Friday, we finally clear everything out. Just a little breezy, typical spring-like weather for New Mexico with partly cloudy skies and mild temperatures starting to, those temperatures will start to go up a little bit after a brief cool down on Thursday. Temperature-wise out there right now, again, very mild temperatures above freezing just about everywhere, mainly in the 40s and middle and upper 30s across the whole state. Your forecast region by region: southern Colorado, mostly cloudy skies with rain and mountain snow today and tomorrow, and then we clear things out for Friday. Up in northwest New Mexico, windy conditions with winds gusting to 50 miles an hour here, mid-60s, slight chance for a stray storm today, and then shower chances for tomorrow. Down in the southwest, partly cloudy, temperatures in the low to mid 70s. As far as the rest of the week goes, temperatures in the 60s for the next few days. Your forecast for the southeast: a few showers around right now. Those will clear out. Highs in the 70s, almost 80, and again, it's going to be windy with a lot of blowing dust for the northeast. A few stray showers are possible early on. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and then we're in the upper 50s Friday. Your forecast for the northern mountains: skies partly to mostly cloudy, a little snow right now, and again, we'll be watching for more snow to develop tonight. Santa Fe may even see a stray shower or two out of this. Your forecast for the metro area: upper 60s and low 70s with a slight chance for a sprinkle or two this morning. Very windy today. Thursday, 64, and then as we go into the weekend, more sunshine, beautiful weather. Highs in the 60s and 70s.